Hi everyone, it's Marisa Williams with Southern Technical College. Hope everybody's doing well today. We've heard a lot of requests for pharmacology math, so I figured I'd just kind of give you a little example on that. So a real easy formula to remember is that your desired dose is, what you want to give the patient, is basically this little formula here. Your ordered dose times the quantity divided by your dose on hand. Now you could think of it as ordered dose over dose on hand times quantity. Usually that quantity is going to be on the top. So you can think of ordered dose times quantity divided by dose on hand. So I think of it as need over want times how many you need to. So let's look at an example here. So it says a doctor orders lorazepam 4 milligrams IV push for a patient in severe alcohol withdrawal. You have 2 milligrams per milliliter on hand. So how many mLs should be drawn up? Now, it looks scary, but let's use our formula. Again, we want our dose that's ordered. In this case, they ordered 4 milligrams, right? And the quantity is the ml, and it's saying that we have 1 ml over 2 milligrams, right? That's our dose on hand. So the quantity is just 1 ml, and the dose on hand is the 2 milligrams, right? So what we're really looking at is the dose ordered over the dose on hand. Dose ordered is 4, and if we say that's times 1 milliliter, that's still going to be 4, right? So on the top, still going to be 4, no matter how you slice it or dice it. On the bottom is going to be that 2 that we have on hand, right? So how does this look? Let's look like this. Let's look at the numbers here. We have 4 milligrams times 1 milliliter over 2 milligrams. Now, where did I get that from? Let's just back up again and look at the big picture here. Okay, so our 4 milligrams, that's what they ordered. The 2 milligrams per milliliter is what we're dividing by. Now remember, when we divide, we flip it, right? So that's why it's the 1 is on the top and the 2 is on the bottom. Or in other words, the 1 milliliter is on the top and the 2 milligrams is on the bottom. So we actually did our flippy on that, or used a reciprocal, our inverse. That's why it looks like that, okay? Because remember, when we divide fractions, the first thing we do, flip it. The second number, never the first. That's why our first one's still on the top. 4 milligrams still on the top, but our 2 over 1 changed to 1 over 2, okay? So you could look at it as 4 times 1/2, right? Either way you look at it, notice that our milligrams and our milligrams, they cross off, right? What's left? Just the milliliter on the top. So when we say 4 divided by 2, or 4 times 1/2, what we're left with is just 2. And our milliliters are what's left because our milligrams crossed out, right? So our answer is going to be 2 milliliters. So how many milliliters should be drawn up? 2 milliliters, all right? So hopefully that kind of gives you a good idea of a way to use this little handy dandy formula, which again is ordered dose over dose on hand times your quantity. In this case, our quantity was our milliliters, right? All right, y'all, hope that helps a little bit. If you have any more requests for videos, just let me know and I'll make sure to get them in for you. Have a good one.